This case of avian flu in Alberta is very rare and isolated. Other Albertans are not at risk.
Health officials stress this case is an isolated one and not related to the seasonal flu outbreak. The person had traveled to Beijing, China in December, was admitted to an Edmonton hospital January 1st and died January 3rd. Officials are not identifying the name, age, or gender of the deceased. Alberta's chief medical officer of health says there is no evidence of human-to-human transmission.
They did not go outside Beijing, they did not travel to farms, and they were not at markets. So at the moment that remains a bit of a mystery.
2 locations for a city of over 1 million to get a mass flu vaccination is ridiculous.
Frustrations mounted as hundreds of thousands of Albertans answered the province's call to get the H1N1 flu shot and lined up for hours at mass immunization centers across the province. Health officials say the current vaccine does not immunize against the H5N1 bird flu, and further, they expect to run out of the H1N1 vaccine as early as this weekend. In spite of the death toll and number of cases already this year, Talbot says this is a normal flu season.
This time last year, we were in the same vicinity, approximately 10 deaths at the end of the season. In 2009, the first time that we faced H1N1, there were 72 influenza-like illness-related deaths in the province. And that is still within the range of normal for a normal influenza year. A pandemic year, in contrast, is estimated to be 5 to 10 times that amount.
Premier Alison Redford made a plea for calm as questions about the number of vaccine doses left in the province were asked.
I know that when people think about this, they sometimes hearken back to previous incidents, things like H1N1. This is not one of those cases. This vaccine has been available since October. Everyone who has been looking to get this has been able to get it up until now.
Alberta Health secured the last H1N1 vaccine on the planet this week. And once it's gone, they say they will have immunized 28% of Albertans this year alone. Health officials say if you didn't get this year's flu shot, go back to the tried and true methods of washing your hands and staying home if you're feeling sick. I'm Rob Gibson, and this has been a Sun News Special Report.